It's funny. A lot of people will talk about with making content all the things that you can't do, right? Like you're not allowed to eat. That'd be unprofessional to do when creating content. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But the truth is, when you're in something for the long haul, you're never riding on one video to blow up over the others, right? Like, and for the long haul, you hear a lot of times of like famous YouTubers, for example, that there's this rule of do at least 100 videos before you even know what the heck you're talking about. 100 videos. That's a lot of videos. But if you say, hey, 100's my baseline, I believe you'll find that you won't locate many excuses anymore, because if you don't set your mind on the long term, it's like, oh, well, I didn't have time today. Oh, I didn't feel like doing it. Oh, I would have had to skip lunch to do it, right? But I just want to express that it's easy to make unimportant things important. It's hard to know what's what, but take it from me that there's very few things that you have to get right. Very few important things, like actually objectively important, with making content, especially video. And the rest is really something that you can add into the mix. Your personality, your take on things, your rhythm for doing content, right? Like, it's important to be consistent, but also that doesn't mean you can't have your own rhythm, and how you create content, how you produce it, how you distribute it. So, I think I'm done eating for now. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I look forward to talking with you in a future one.